Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Bybit password. So if you also want to change Bybit password, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bybit application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Wait for it to load. You can see over here Bybit application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to change the Bybit password due to some reason, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see your UID. You'll be able to see several other options in this interface. Right over here, you'll be able to see the option for security, invite friends, sub account and demo trading. In order to change your password, what you have to do is tap on the security option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the security interface. You'll be able to find several security options over here. You'll be able to find the option for change password, email, mobile, fund password, etc. In order to change the password, simply tap on the option change password. Keep in mind, after changing your account password, on-chain withdrawals, internal transfers, fiat withdrawals, P2P transactions, and Bybit card transactions will be suspended for 24 hours. If you're okay with it, simply tap on the option old password. Now what you have to do is enter your old password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to check your password, you can also tap on the eye icon that you can see right over here. After entering the old password, all you have to do is enter the new password. Simply tap on the box new password. Now enter the new password. After you've entered the old password and new password, simply tap on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the code from Google Authenticator. For that, simply open Google Authenticator application. Google Authenticator does not let you record. Over here, you'll be able to see the code. All you have to do is memorize that code. Go back to Bybit application. Now enter that code over here. Now you can see over here your password change has been success. Now you can enter your new password and log into your account. You can see over here you'll be able to log into your account with your new password. So that is how you change Bybit password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.